How to allow or deny VR helper services permission on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Apps. Then tap on the More button at the top, and then tap on Special Access from the menu. Next, we then scroll down, and in here tap on VR Helper Services. And here's the after install apps have requested to be run as VR services. They will appear here. So to deny it or grant permissions, once there are apps in here, you can tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.